Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I repaired my concrete driveway after we had to cut it open to repair a plumbing leak. So, first things first, you're going to want to put some base in there, which is just some rock. I used landscaping rock from my local landscaping company, and then you're going to want to pack it in there as tight as you can get it. There are 3 bags in this one, and then I packed it down. Make sure to get it as packed down as you can. Next, what I did is went to Tractor Supply and got this 8-foot fence. It was about $20, and then I used my angle grinder to cut